Sumo Logic Continuous Intelligence Platform provides real-time analytics and insights from a single platform across multiple use cases. It enables organizations to automate the collection, ingestion, and analysis of application, infrastructure, security, and IoT data to derive actionable insights in real time. Let's walk through a brief scenario of how a typical Sumo Logic customer, in this case, a payroll company, derives business value from our platform. We first start with a high-level overview of our payroll service that handles payroll, 401ks, and employee insurance needs. Visually, we can see a quick glance of all the business key performance indicators that can help us better understand the customer experience across the different touchpoints, such as 401k accounts, support tickets, and payment delays. One of our key performance indicators, direct deposit failures, seems to be spiking and might be worth a closer look. Our payroll application runs on Kubernetes on top of cloud services provided by Google Cloud Platform and Amazon Web Services. With Sumo Logic, our site reliability teams get out-of-the-box visibility about what's going on at the cloud provider, Kubernetes, and application layers. Scaling to provide unified visibility across multiple regions and accounts, Sumo Logic provides deep observability across the cloud services many applications leverage. Our platform also helps the site reliability team track key performance indicators, service level indicators, and anomalies in their application and infrastructure that impact their end users transacting payments on the payroll service. Our site reliability team was notified about the elevated number of direct deposit service errors and could start to troubleshoot the incident. Drilling into the direct deposit service dashboard, we can see that the direct deposit service error indicator is spiking at the same time as the account verification service errors. Drilling into the account verification service dashboard, we can see that there are memory and CPU fluctuations alongside the spike in errors. Let's dive into the orchestration layer to get deeper insights into what might be happening. We can isolate the issue to the account verification service within the cluster and see that it has some crashing workloads known as pods. We can double-click into a failing pod and investigate further. From the pod view, we can see that the pod has been crashing. Sumo Logic correlates all the metrics data into our log data, so it's easy from this view to jump directly into the logs associated with this pod to investigate further. Most often, the root cause is hidden under a mountain of signals, in this case, more than 30,000 raw logs. Our machine learning algorithms reduce these logs to 14 patterns, isolating the root cause quickly. The patterns indicate that the root cause is the overuse of file descriptors. We can revert back to the previous stable version and update our application to clean up file descriptors not in use to ensure a continuously reliable user experience. Payroll and other mission-critical customer-facing applications must not only be available and perform well, they must also be protected from hackers and cyber threats. Here is our Sumo Logic Cloud SIEM heads-up display, specifically designed to put the focus on real threats that need immediate attention. Our cloud-native SIEM eliminates the alert noise by analyzing millions of logs and transforming them into security signals from which our platform derives high-priority insights that the payroll services security analysts can rapidly investigate and remediate. Those insights are depicted as red triangle icons, with each representing a potentially critical security incident that demands immediate attention. Clicking on an insight lets an analyst quickly see all of the related events that have been automatically enriched with network traffic and user identity information to provide crucial context for this particular incident. Our Cloud SIEM provides incident management along with customizable actions via email and third-party tool integrations with ticket management platforms, security orchestration, automation and response solutions, and communication tools used across SecOps and DevOps teams like Slack. Furthermore, payroll applications contain sensitive data and processes that must adhere to regulatory rules. Risk and compliance teams need to collect, store, monitor, analyze, and report across logs and events to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, such as PCI DSS or HIPAA. Our continuous intelligence platform includes, among others, PCI apps that enable them to monitor and query data using convenient pre-built dashboards to gain visibility into their personal account number environment to see application traffic and ports being used, or who's logging in and accessing sensitive account information systems. Utilizing our global intelligence service, security teams proactively improve their global security posture by comparing themselves with their peers. For example, the SaaS payroll application security team is able to identify rare threats and security posture differences in their environment by comparing their security posture with anonymized baselines derived from thousands of Sumo Logic peers. Payroll company users, administrators, and finance teams leverage Sumo Logic's CloudFlex credits licensing to gain transparency and predictability into their spend and return on investment. With CloudFlex credits, they can flexibly use any product and any data without daily or monthly per-product limits or surprise on-demand charges. Our platform provides dashboards to see and track spending patterns and forecast spend for budgeting purposes. In summary, managing a digital business model requires broad and deep visibility into applications, infrastructure, security, and business insights. By harnessing all elements of machine data, companies transforming digitally are able to continuously derive insights and intelligence in real time to improve their customer experiences so they remain reliable, engaging, and secure. Sumo Logic enables our customers to see business differently with continuous intelligence, enabling them to make smarter decisions faster.